Microsoft Words love to be helpful by auto formatting lines, but it can be a bit stubborn when you only want a partial line. Since there is not a half line button, so we have to get a little creative. So first type your text or stay on a blank line. Now look at the ruler at the top of your page and click on the ruler. For example, at the 3-inch mark and to create a tab spot like this one. And now double click that tabs top icon on the ruler to open the tabs dialog box. So under the leader, you need to select the selection for a solid line. And now hit OK and then press the tab key on your keyboard. Word will draw a perfectly straight line exactly to that 3-inch mark. If you want to make it dotted line, double click on tab mark and now select the option 3, click OK. Again double click on that mark and click the number 2 option and click OK. So this way you can easily insert half horizontal line in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.